Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lock screen sound setting how can be off in our Samsung phone. First you want to off your screen lock sound in your Samsung mobile, so how can you guys your screen lock sound? So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting to off lock screen sound. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see sound and vibration setting. Click here. Scroll it friends again once you can see system sound and vibration control setting guys tap here. Once you can see your screen lock and unlock sound. Once you can see this icon right side, you will have to click, then guys your screen lock sound will off in your Samsung phone, and once you can see we cannot use this lock screen sound in our Samsung phone. So like that guys you can off your lock screen sound in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.